Today we're going to make this Mackenzie-Childs inspired bunny. I got the wood bunny from the dollar store for $1. The other supplies were just paint and ribbon. That's it. Okay, let's get started on our project. The first thing I did was spray paint my bunny with a Satin White primer. Next, I made 2 oval circles for the feet and 2 for the ears. Next, I'm going to make pastel circles using a paint sponge, and you can find the specific colors that I used in this one in the description. Use a ruler or a straight line to make checkered boxes in your circles. Next, I'm going to use a black oil-based paint marker to trace the outline of my circles and my checkered boxes. I ended up using a white paint marker to thin out the black lines that I made on my circles with the checkered boxes because I felt like they were a little too thick. I'm really not sure if this step was necessary, but I did it anyway, and if you feel the same, here's a tip for you to do as well. Next, you're going to paint your checker pattern. You'll notice that some of my lines weren't perfectly straight, but I was able to straighten them out when I did the paint with the checkers. Okay, so now we're at our last step. All you have to do is make a bow, I'm left-handed, so I don't make very good bows. I had to have someone do it for me, and then glue it on, and bam, you're done.